On this episode of How to Do Florida, Chad and his wife Kristy are rekindling some old memories and making new ones with a just the two of us getaway to Flagler County.
The beach? Let's do it.
They'll be renting a beach cabin.
Look at the view.
This is gonna be great.
Swimming with dolphins.
What a rush.
Taking sunset kayaking tours and much more.
About a pier.
It is a beach getaway for two. Out to do Florida.
Wow, that's gorgeous.
Hey, today we're showing you how to do a beach cabin getaway.
Now, I've been traveling the Sunshine State, showing you how to do Florida for over a decade now.
Are you serious?
Through it all, right by my side, has been my lovely wife, Kristy.
Perfect. To the rim. I like mine to the rim. That's close enough.
Some of my adventures, she's been completely on board with.
What is
Others, well, not so much.
What is that?
She's gotten me to try new things. And let me tell you something. This girl knows how to use a fishing pole.
How many is this?
10? I don't know.
But in all those years adventuring, believe it or not, it's been hard to find a weekend just to get away together.
Hold on.
So when the opportunity for that kind of trip comes up, we are on it.
The stars have aligned. The kids are staying with friends or family, so Chad and I are getting away for 2 days. We're going to the beach. We have a lot of packing to do. We gotta get coolers, fishing rods, chairs.
Hold that, sweetie.
The kids know we're going. They just don't know where we're going.
Where are you guys going?
Away, away.
We better pack up quick before anything changes. See that?
I don't need this. I'll take that.
I love you, sweetie. Have fun.
You'll take care of the house, right? Okay, you're in charge.
Let's do it.
Woo!
Bye, guys.
Bye, Mom and Dad. Don't worry, we'll be fine.
Where are they going?
Aha, finally, a chance to get away and relax. Just the two of us. Kind of like we did when we first started dating. No careers, no children, just a couple of crazy kids enjoying a spring break on the road in Florida. We've decided to take a little trip down memory lane this weekend and recreate a leg of that trip. We're heading to Flagler County, about halfway between St. Augustine and Daytona Beach, a part of Florida known as Palm Coast and the Flagler Beaches. Our first stop then and now is Beverly Beach, Camptown.
23 years ago, Chad and I went on a big road trip all over Florida, and our first spot was Beverly Beach, Camptown.
This is one of the more unique campgrounds in Florida, simply because your front yard is the Atlantic Ocean.
You gotta be kidding me. Right on the water. I mean, this is gonna be incredible.
Look at the view.
This is gonna be great.
Oh, amazing.
Beverly Beach Camptown has been here for 40 years. We are probably one of the only campgrounds directly on the beach, and people love the beachfront camping. There's nothing like it.
There's only a handful of places in the entire country where you can literally step out your front door onto the beach. It's the perfect home base for Kristy and me to settle in and plan our weekend
So,
adventures.
honey, guess what?
Yeah, look at this. Look at this.
I know. Get this.
What?
I got off the phone with Marineland, and they were able to book us a royal swim with the dolphins.
The Royal Swim.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
We get to get in the pool with the dolphins and do crazy tricks with them and stuff. It's going to be amazing.
Sounds amazing. Hey, and I just heard from our kayak guy, and I booked us a sunset kayak adventure. It's gonna be really good tonight. And
Awesome.
that's
Good
gonna be.
job.
We're packing a lot in this weekend.
Yeah. When Chad and I have the opportunity to get away like this, we really want to sit back and relax. But somehow we always end up cramming our schedule full of activities. I can't wait to do some paddle boarding, take a walk, maybe do some yoga out here on the beach.
And then I'm gonna get some surf fishing in.
All right, let's do it. Where should we begin?
The beach.
The beach.
Let's do it. See the color of this beach, isn't that cool?
So pretty. What makes it this reddish color?
I mean, this is a red shell beach. All the coquina here gives it this incredible reddish color. Absolutely beautiful.
We are a very special beach in Flagler County. It's all coquina sand, very unique to the area.
Hard to believe, but these tiny little clams are what gives this entire beach its beautiful color. Coquina are only about the size of your fingernail. In fact, the word coquina means tiny shell in Spanish. But as small as they are, they've been a big part of Florida's beaches for thousands of years. They not only represent a key point in the ocean food chain, but like all clams, they help filter seawater. So a healthy population of coquina means a healthy beach.
I mean, just as far as you can see, just that incredible hue.
It's beautiful.
That it is. Very different than a lot of beaches here in Florida.
You hear this spot?
Yeah, it looks very nice.
Kristy and I find a good spot and waste no time getting a little sand between our toes.
I'm gonna bait up and see if I can't catch us some dinner.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
We'll see. We might be eating the bait. You like frozen shrimp?
It's the end of the day, but our adventures are just beginning. We've booked a sunset kayak tour with Ripple Effects ecotours.
Whenever Chad and I travel somewhere, we always like to learn more about the environment that we're in. And the Ripple Effects ecotour was the perfect place to do that.
I'm really excited to get Chad and Kristy out here so that we can see the wildlife, learn about the conservation, and get some good education.
So where's our kayaks? We had 2 kayaks.
Yeah, where's the other one?
Yeah, so you guys are gonna be together in our tandem kayaks.
What's a
The 2
tandem
of us
kayak?
in this kayak.
Yeah, the 2 of you in one kayak.
So who do you suggest sits in the front?
The leader.
I'm the leader.
We'll do paper, rock, scissors.
For what? What position?
Great idea. I don't know. Figuring this out. Why don't I start off in the back? You start in the front. Woohoo! You might have to oil me down to get in here. Oh, slim. Okay, honey, I'm in.
Did it!
We got a long way to go.
You're gonna want the whole pedal to move as you put pressure on it.
Okay.
There you go, and then your right foot is gonna do the same thing.
Now.
Whoa, Nelly. Go ahead and straighten them out.
After a few quick instructions from
Just like
Caitlin
if you're eating soup or ice cream, you want that curve to be coming towards you.
and working out the intricacies of tandem
I keep
kayaking.
forgetting I'm steering.
So where are you steering us to?
I'm trying to steer us straight.
We're on our way to explore the unique and incredibly diverse ecosystem of this marine reserve, which has a name that I can't even pronounce.
So now we're on the Guantanamo-Matanzas National Estuarine Research Reserve.
Wow.
And
That's a mouthful.
Wait.
the
what?
Guantanamo-Matanzas National Estuarine Research Reserve.
Okay, it's more commonly known as the GMT, which is good because I'm struggling with that whole guana, tomato, whatever. Anyway, the cool thing about the GMT is that it's a national research reserve. There's only 29 of these in the entire country, and 3 of them right here in
So
Florida.
each of them are on a system like this, where it's going to be 2 chemically distinct bodies of water that come together, which is called an estuary.
Basically what this means is this is a very unique ecosystem. It needs to be preserved and protected.
Everything that comes into this estuary ends up out in the ocean. So if this is nice and protected and clean, then that's going to help out the ocean too.
It also happens to be a stunningly gorgeous part of Florida. And our guide, Caitlin, she definitely knows her
The
stuff.
ecosystem that we're in right now is a mixture of fresh and salt water, which makes it very tough for a lot of animals and plants to live out here. To our left, these are black mangroves, and they have the spores that come out, and they kind of work like snorkels for them to keep themselves out of the water a little bit. And so what dolphins are able to do is they catch their prey and they swallow it whole, and those fish actually metabolize the salt water into fresh water. So that's how they get all of their freshwater content.
Oh,
Wow.
That's cool.
That's amazing. This is like one of those parts of Florida where you just don't see a lot of people. You know, it's kind of a little bit of a secret.
That definitely helps with the ecosystem too.
Yeah.
All these animals and plants are able to thrive out here.
You're a good teacher.
Thank you.
Oh, there we go. If you were going to give me a grade, what would you give me? Honest.
A B+ at least.
B+? I'll take that all day long. I got through high school on a lot worse.
And while learning about the environment is all good, this is what we came to see.
I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous.
Oh, wow. That's so pretty.
It's so peaceful back here.
We get paid to work out and to watch sunsets.
Great. Great job.
It is a little bit of a workout, I'll be honest. I don't know, are you feeling a little sore up there, honey? How you doing?
Not sore yet, but I'm definitely getting a workout in.
A perfect way to end the first day of our Flagler County adventure, paddling off into the sunset. We watched the sunset, so why not watch the sunrise? After all, we can do it right from our own front porch.
It is so surreal walking out the door of our cabin in the morning because the beach is literally right there. You could touch it.
This front row seat.
Beautiful.
Good morning.
Yeah, I know there's something to be said about sleeping in on vacation. But with all this beauty right outside our front door, we wanted to soak up every minute we can. We're headed back out on the water, this time on paddleboards. Conditions couldn't be more perfect. The water is so calm this time of morning.
It's a little tough getting out of bed early this morning, but once we were on the beach and watching the sunrise while paddleboarding in the ocean, it was so worth it. The water was just so calm and peaceful. It was so relaxing and felt amazing to be looking at the sun and the fish and birds out there.
It's still early, and we pretty much have the beach to ourselves.
This is a beautiful beach to fish on. You know, there's not a lot of people out here. Feels like we have our own private beach.
Kristy spends a little time on this beautiful morning getting her yoga on.
Before we get going, we have to be in the pool with the dolphins in about 30 minutes, so we gotta go.
I'm getting a solid nibble here. Solid.
We don't have time.
You don't have time?
Packed up.
Oh, great nibble. Oh, all right. Dolphins. All right, I'm right behind you, honey.
There they are.
Kristy and I headed 30 minutes north to check out Marineland Dolphin Adventure, Florida's oldest marine mammal park.
Hey, little guy. Oh, they're saying, come on in.
It opened in 1938 and has transitioned from doing shows and movies to being a dolphin research and interaction
You know,
facility.
it's crazy to think this is one of the first theme parks in Florida, Marineland. So much history here. They do a lot of incredible research and giving people the ability to experience these dolphins up close and personal.
Wow.
It's pretty cool.
I learned so much here about them. They're amazing animals.
We'll be learning a lot today. Apparently, Kristy and I are going to take a dip with the dolphins.
What an incredible way to get up close and personal with these incredible mammals, and we're about to do that.
It looks like they're excited. They're ready to play with us, I think. Marineland has this new experience called the Royal Swim. I know Chad's gonna love it. I think he's gonna love it. Yeah, he'll like it. You look like you work here.
You don't want to lose me.
No.
They might think I'm a trainer.
Yeah.
I do have fish in my pocket, so who knows what's going to happen. These dolphins are incredibly well cared for, probably better than me. In fact, most of them were born right here in Marineland. The trainers go over some basic ground rules with us, then slowly introduce us to the dolphins and let them get used to us and their environment. First thing we do is called a hand target. It's pretty basic and one of the first behaviors every dolphin learns.
What is it about dolphins? I mean, they're so cute. They're like little puppies in the water.
From there, we do a little tactile work, try our hand at some water behaviors. Then comes what I can only describe as the royal part of the royal swim.
That's incredible. What a rush.
A rush indeed. But while these programs are fun, Marineland goes to great lengths to ensure that they also educate us about conservation of their oceans and the magnificent creatures that swim in them.
Education is huge with us. We want to make everyone understand how to better take care of ocean life.
He's following us.
That's too bad. I don't want it to end.
Whatever you paid for that is worth it.
Oh, I'm glad you liked it. That was awesome, man.
I mean, it's amazing how much power they have, right?
I know, they're so strong.
Gosh, what an incredible experience to be that close.
Oh my
And I feel
gosh,
like we
my
got a lot
heart
of
is
interaction.
still pounding,
Yeah.
you know, the adrenaline. It's just amazing.
Yeah, all right, you did a good job, girl.
You did
All
too.
right, let's get out of these clothes and get
All
back
right.
to the
Was it
cabin.
royal?
It was very royal.
You know, when you visit Flagler County, a couple iconic places you have to check out. One's right behind me, the Flagler Pier. Beautiful pier, you need to check that out. Second is to get in your car and drive down that beautiful coastal stretch of highway, A1A.
One of the many things I love about Kristy, she's always up for some fishing. And one of the great things about Flagler Pier is that if you want to fish, you can just show up. They've got rental poles and bait for sale right at the pier.
What do you think?
Yeah, we'll catch some dinner.
Yeah. So 2 rods and some shrimp, right?
All right.
Some shrimp. Yep.
Be right back.
Okay.
Good, thank you.
You meet all kinds of characters here at the pier. This is one of them right here.
There you
One
go.
of them right here. Good. Some shrimp.
Shrimp is the
The
rod.
winner?
This is the winner rod.
All right.
So if we don't catch any fish, we can eat this for dinner.
Oh, I wouldn't advise that.
Which one works the best?
That one.
That one?
Did you bring your luck? Because we don't sell it.
You don't sell luck?
This weekend has been a long reminder of that amazing trip Kristy and I took all those years
How long
ago.
ago was that when we came here when we first started dating?
You really want me to tell you how long ago that was?
5, 6 years? What was that?
Like 23 years. Yeah.
Okay, so it was a long time ago. This is cool to be out here fishing. I mean, this is, something that we enjoy doing together, and we did back then. And we stayed right there at Beverly Camptown where we're staying tonight. You got fish?
Either that or some barnacles.
I think you caught a pier. I think you have a pier fish, honey.
Okay, so not our most productive fishing weekend. Fortunately, since we didn't catch our own dinner, we discovered a place in downtown Flagler Beach that is renowned for its fresh seafood, Flagler Fish Company. Owner and chef Chris Casper sat down with us to talk about his menu.
Want to join us real quick here?
Absolutely.
Come on, man, sit down and tell us about this creation here. What do we have right here?
We have our shrimp grits. It's on a fried grit cake, jumbo local shrimp. Saute those with butter, garlic, shallots, little white wine, heavy cream, tomatoes, corn, and our own special Cuban seasoning to give it a little bit of sweetness.
Tell me about what do we have here? This looks great.
This is our take on a traditional mussel dish. It's white wine, garlic, butter, and a little splash of heavy cream to finish.
Sounds delicious. Can't wait to try.
Enjoy.
Chris, when we walked in, we couldn't help but notice. You run a seafood market out of here.
We sell retail fish as well as plated food.
So, seafood market, restaurant, is that part of the concept?
That is pretty much the concept, an open kitchen with all the ingredients that you're about to eat right in front of you. I'm sorry.
I heard over and over, you need to go to Flagler Fish Company. So you guys are obviously doing something great here. It's catching a lot of buzz. I think it might have something to do with this right here, man.
Awesome. Glad you guys are enjoying it.
Amazing, very flavorful. For someone who's never been to this area, how would you describe it?
Flagler Beach is unique, to say the least. It is one of the last few true beach towns in Florida. It's referred to as Mayberry by the Sea.
Oh, that's perfect. I can see that.
Okay, most popular dish. What do you got?
Well, that's a tough one. I have.
Am I eating it?
You're eating one of them. You're both eating one of them. And then people love the fact that they can come in and choose their own dish. They can choose any
I saw
type of
that.
fish that we have, or shellfish.
I saw
choose the cooking style. Choose the sauce that they would like with it. It's hell on the cooks, but
Yeah, I bet.
it makes for a nice experience.
You don't see that a lot.
Well, enough about me. You guys enjoy the rest of your meal and enjoy your stay in wonderful Flagler Beach.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming, guys.
Thank you, Chris. Compliments to the chef back there.
Oh, thank you. I'll let him know.
After dinner, it's time to stroll around one of the more charming coastal downtowns in the state of Florida. In Flagler Beach, you can shop, eat, dine, or just play a friendly game of shell checkers.
Yeah.
You're gonna take all my men in one move. Can you do that? Can she do that?
Flagler County promotes itself as the county that has everything. It's the perfect place for a weekend getaway, especially with the woman I first brought here 23 years ago.
Honey, I don't think we could have packed in any more this weekend.
Absolutely not. But being here has brought back so many memories.
It has. If you're looking for a place to get away here in Florida, check out Flagler County. Beautiful beaches, a lot to do. You will not be disappointed. Well, that's our show. I hope you enjoyed it.
But more importantly, I hope you feel encouraged to get out
And do Florida. We're gonna make beach soup
Beach soup?
Yeah.
What?
with tortilla shells with beach.
Pier was hungry.
The pier was hungry, girl.
All
Looking for
right.
some wildlife. Hang a little close.
Can you save me if I go flying out of the pool?
I will save you, honey.
Once you guys are all
What I do?
here.
Cut. Away. Away.